Determining sample sizes. The procedures for finding the sample size necessary to estimate the population standard deviation are much more complex than the procedures given earlier for means and proportions. For normally distributed populations, the table that you're going to see in the following or the following formula can be used. So this formula can be used where you have n, which is equal to 1/2 times the critical z-value over d squared, where d is the decimal form of the percentage error. But in this particular section, we're going to use the following. So if you take a look here on the left-hand side, to be 95% confident that the standard deviation is within the following percentage of the value of the population standard deviation, the sample size n would be at least. So if it says 95% confident, if you're within 1%, then the sample size is going to be 19,205. If it's within 5%, then it's 768. If it's 10%, then 192, and so on. Over here, to be 99% confident with the sample standard deviation is within the following percentage, then the sample size would be at least the following over here. So if it's within 1%, then it's 33,218. Within 5%, 1,336. 10%, 336, and so on. So let's take a look at example 3. Finding the sample size for estimating the population standard deviation. We want to estimate the standard deviation of all pulse rates of adult women. We want to be 99% confident that our estimate is within 5% of the true value of the population standard deviation. How large should the sample be? And assume that the population is normally distributed. Okay, so we need to first look at 99%, and it says within 5%. So we're going to be using the one on the right here. So from the table given for finding the sample size, okay, we look at the 99%. So there's our 99%. And so we also need to look at the fact that it's within 5%. So it's within 5%. So we would say that 1,336 would be the sample size. So again, seeing that 99% confidence in an error of 5% for the population standard deviation corresponds to the sample of size 1,336. So we should obtain a sample, or a simple random sample, of 1,336 pulse rates of adult women.